Today I will show you how to save money on some of the products that we buy very often. They include, if you drink coffee, this French vanilla that I buy, these aluminum pans, the larger bottles of our detergent. I only put one of these up here, but you know what we buy to keep the kitchen clean, the bathroom, the floors. We just have a mixture of products. Now, I will continue to keep these around if I need them, especially because it kills 99.9% of viruses and bacteria. But we will have them and not use the other things that will help save us money. And then I'm going to show you how to save money on plants. That the ones that wants to see a bloom now as they flourish into more blooms on the flower. And then the battery operated candle for ambient lighting or decorative purposes versus these. Let me start right here on the end here. These bags you can get from any store. They already have the label imprint where you can do what's in the bag, but you can see through it and the date. Instead of using, if you use, like I do, aluminum foil, it's a waste of the aluminum foil. And these can be washed. And then sometimes we have gone to buy another coffee pot. If you still use these or have used them, instead of using the vinegar to clean the pot with. Now, vinegar is also good for pouring down the drain. It's good for cleaning windows. But yet, like myself, I have some Windex, and then I have the vinegar. Please do not put Arm & Hammer on your real wood floors and your real wood furniture. But if you want a fresh drain, if you want to help unclog the drain, this is good. Wiping down surfaces. And you can easily go online and see all you can do with this type of, we're talking about the one not to cook with or bake with, but the one that's for deodorizing, that we let stay in the freezer for 28 to 30 days. That can these type of things that the Arm& Hammer can do, we just throw away more money. And then I want to talk about this creamer. Now, I'm talking to me. I'm preaching to me now, if you will. I find myself pouring more out of this than I do. It does not equal up to the amount that when I use these, I only really need 2, but I use 3, sometimes 4, depends on how light I want my coffee. But I can use 1 or 2 of these versus using so much of this and have to run to these here are nearly $5. Okay, this is for, you can use it for iced coffee and other things that you already know about. But we can save money there. And before we get to the, oh yes, I haven't bought paper towels. I can't tell you the last time. I bought some towels from Roses. I chose the blue, no surprise. So can dry the dishes instead of tearing off that paper towel and just throwing that money away. At least I got 3 of them. I still have 2 because I used another one for something else. While this is washing, then I still have one that I can pull out. Instead of using my decorative towel, I have many decorative towels because I like the towels, kitchen towels. But this would save us a lot of money. I have had the larger container of Gain for many months because every time I go to the store, I buy these. But the point is, this one is $1 and something. I'm sure this is the 10 fluid ounces, and this is the 88 fluid ounces. I find myself using less than I would sometime use out of this larger jar. So I am going to try my best to stop buying these little ones when I go to the store and just pour out of the big one to the rim that it would fill this one. And it'll make me use less. It doesn't take much. Just like Clorox, it doesn't take much Clorox to clean with. As you notice, you use 1 part Clorox and so many parts of water. So it's being diluted, if you will. It breaks down so we don't need a lot and we overuse a lot of things. These cake pans, y'all, I buy them so very, very often. I could have had 5 or 6 different nice pans. But I choose to do this, and then you end up, especially macaroni and cheese. That's one thing that comes to my mind. It eats around the goldenness of it, of the rims of it, and we're throwing money away. Unless we want to take something in it to someone else, or however have you. But it will save us money to buy nice pans. Now, this is imitation. I told you that when I showed it to you. Oh, it's been weeks ago. And let me get the flour. The sun is out, so I hope you can see. I bought this from Roses, and because it was drying up, the rainwater has fed it, and I have fed it with the regular water, and it looks like it's thriving. But since I want a real plant here, I can take this out, separate it, have long, many roots in here. And you can get 1, 2, 3 flowers without even splitting the roots. Okay, and that's what I'm going to do. Take one of these. I'll take this one and put it here. Okay, see that root on there? All right, I have to put this down again. Now we're going to water it. Now see, we still have at least 3 more. I said 3 in all, but it's going to be 4 because you can split this from its root and this one, but we would let this one stay together until it start blooming. And you got 4 different potted plants. Hey, as we get ready to end this video, I just want to show you the plant again. I can take it on in with me. And put it back on its base. And what I wanted to say about the candle safety. I love the various colors of the candles. But sometimes you can be in a hurry and leave that candle on. These, and we don't use them that often, where we have to replenish the battery. So it's just another option. I hope you have thought about something that I've showed you, from the flower, buying a basket of flour and separating them out. And in no time, they will spread out as like it comes fully when you buy it, if you separate it in different places. And the paper towels. I want to mention, I'm telling you the truth, I done spent so much money on paper towels. And they're good for spills and stuff. But then I have another, where it's another Microsoft, if I weigh something on the floor or something, that I can get, wash it as well. It's reusable is the point. Thank you all. If you did not get a chance to see my video on yesterday, how I did a border at the top of this wall, a gallery wall, spotted paint. I did not paint the entire wall, but I did try to touch it up, and then decorated over here for a cozy summer vintage entryway. If you have stayed to the end, please like, subscribe, and comment. This is Stephanie at Traditional Home. Thank you, and until the next video.